All right, so you said you need to know how to divide and add fractions. I'm going to use two examples to kind of do this. We're going to start off by adding. So we're going to be adding 1/2 plus 1/3, right? Nice. Basically, the way that you can do this is that you want to find the least common denominator. And for that, I'm just going to multiply 2 times 3. So the denominator is going to be 6, right? And since we multiplied and we changed the denominator, we have to change the numerator as well, right? So we're going to have to multiply the top here by 2 and then the top here by 3. So like this, hold on, this by 3 and then this by 2. So now we're going to have 3 plus 2, right? And then that's just going to give you 5/6, and that's really your answer. Another way to explain it, or another, I'm gonna do one more example. So let's say we have 1/2 plus 1/4, right? The least common denominator here will be 4 because um, 4 times 2 times 2 is 4, and that's like it's the least common denominator. Okay, I don't really know how to explain that. It's the least common. Oh my God, nice echo. But it's the least common denominator because 2 is a multiple of 4 because 2 times 2 is 4. That's why they're related. That's why it's called least common denominator because they have something in common. 2 is a factor of 4. That's why you can just do 4 as a denominator for right here. But if if it wasn't so obvious, you can just multiply the two denominators and then just simplify the end. So we're gonna just leave that as 4, right? And we know 1/2 is basically the same as saying 2/4. Because 2 is 1/2 of 4, so that's there. These are equivalent, right? So you're gonna change this thing to make it easier. You're gonna change this thing to 2/4 plus 1/4, and then that's just gonna give you 3/4. So that's one way you can go about adding fractions. So basically, division is just multiplication, but is a reciprocal of multiplication, right? So this right here is equal to this 2/4 times 2, because you see how it's the reciprocal. Since you're dividing 2/4 by 1/2, it's like you're multiplying 2/4 by the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2. So it's literally the same thing as this. That's what I always do when I'm dividing fractions. And then from right here, you can just multiply straight across. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2, or what is this? 4 times 1 is 4. And that's just 1. You see? We're going to do one more example. Let's do 1/7 divided by, I don't know, 1/3. Same thing, just this is equal to 1/7. Why did I put it right there? Excuse my handwriting. 1/7. Wow. Times 3/1. So 1/7 times 3, the reciprocal of this number right here. So you're gonna do 3 times 1, multiply straight across. 3 times 1 equals 3, right? And then 7 times 1 is 7. So that's your answer. Once you find your answer for whatever problem you're doing, you want to make sure you actually simplify it. So just make sure you simplify it. But yeah, that's basically how you do those two operations.